Now I've got the new metal thermostat, and what I'll do is I've just received this one today. It took them about a month. I actually ordered this one from America. Actually, it's more than a month that I ordered this one. Maybe because the problem with delivering is because of the quarantine. That's why it takes them too long. Now I've got the thermostat for this car. Remember I told you before I bought a $49 plastic, and there was no problem with this whatsoever. It's now more than 3 months now. It's now actually 4 months that I've actually installed that plastic, but because I'm not keen, I'm not confident about it. Maybe in about 6 months, 1 year time, it might break it again. So I'd rather change now than do it later on. I've got this, and I'll just show you. Okay, it's from America. Look at that. It's made of metal. See? Metal. Hello. Are you there? And it's got a sensor. That's the sensor we need to seal it up. What I'll do today is I'm going to oh shit. That's right. What I'll do today is I'm going to seal it up with the same thing, the one I used before. I'm gonna seal it up with this, like I did with the other one, and I'm gonna seal it up here. I'm gonna seal it up here, and also I'm gonna open this one and seal it up as well. I was just thinking to replace the that thing there so that it doesn't actually move. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna test first and find out. And also I'm going to seal up as well here all the connections so that they don't come out, and also this one here, and also this one, maybe here, just around here underneath, and seal it up so to make sure it's proper, sealed properly. Okay, that's about it, and I'll show you how to install it. The moment you've seen my other video about the old one, and what I'll do, I'm going to dismantle it. First thing first, we need to remove the battery, the negative. Then after that, just the negative. We don't need to touch the positive. And then we remove this one bit by bit. Anyway, I need to get a bucket. Okay, what you need at this stage when you start doing this job, but now it's actually warm, so we can start dismantling the battery. Okay, doing that you need a size 10. So you do that, remove the negative. This is the negative side. I'm just removing it. Now I need the this one. Also, you need this to cover this one so it doesn't move. Now it looks like it's gonna rain soon, so might as well hurry up. And now it's done. That is cold. That is finished. Again. Now, every time I remove the battery, I always make sure I put the cover. Okay, cover. There you go. So at least if I'm working anyway, I don't touch it. You know what I mean? That's how you do it. Alright. Okay. Next. Right? Next thing to do is now remove the connection of all of them. Let me just show that to you, okay? Let me get me closer. Here we go. We're starting to dismantle it now. Alright. Well, I got some rugs here because I need to go around underneath because it will be very wet, so I don't want my thing going around and get the wet everywhere. Okay. So I'll just put this one underneath. Okay, it looks like it's corroded down. Okay. Now all we have to do is to there you go. That's the old one. As you can see, this is the sensor. Okay. So as you can see how I did it. So let me just show you here. So look at that. There's nothing wrong with it because I've actually sealed up the whole thing. So what I'll do is I'm gonna clean up this one and then with that one, so that when I clean it up, it doesn't put any debris underneath. You won't have any debris underneath when I'm cleaning it. There you go. Nice and easy. Now I'm gonna start cleaning it up. I'll start cleaning it up, this one, because we're gonna reuse it again. Good morning, it's next day, second day of installing the metal thermostat housing. As you can see, it's sunny today. It's still cold, but we'll get there. Anyway, I'm just going to show you now this one, which we installed the metal thermostat yesterday. We took it out the plastic thermostat, we replaced it to metal thermostat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, now as you can see, that is the new metal thermostat being installed. So we actually put back the negative battery,
because yesterday when we installing it, we removed this one, so now we put it back. So we leave it for about more than half a day. So we installed it in the afternoon yesterday. Now it's morning, so it's more than half a day. So nearly 1 day for this one. All right, now the moment of truth. By the way, we have to put the water. So what I'm gonna do I'm going to remove that. I'm going to because the coolant is actually being remove some of them when we actually installing it, so we actually add it up. So now we're going to start so that now we're going to start the engine, so the coolant will actually flow back into that thermostat housing. Now let's see. Okay, is the moment of truth. We're gonna go inside. Alright, anyway, so sorry about that. So now we're going to someone was crawling on me, that's why. So we inserting the key. So now we're going to restart it. Sorry about this one here. I need to, because this one has a kill switch. So the camera has to, hang on. Camera has to, okay, we'll start now. There you go. There you go. Now as we start. Oh, now we'll have a look. As you can see, let me just close the door. As you can see, it's got nothing, no codes. You can see. You see. So normally when you install it, or reinstalling it, or fixing it, if there's a problem with it, it will shows up the code. At this stage, the moment of truth, it says no codes. So we just reset that.
Thank you so much.
There you go. We reset it, the kilometer, and there's nothing in there. So let's have a look. If that thing being installed might have a leakage somewhere. Okay, the moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing is leaking. Nothing, nothing, see? Zero, zero. As you can see, the coolant is bubbling because it's trying to get some coolant inside. It's actually pulling it, keep pulling it, so which is good. But you don't let too long closing it or opening it, because otherwise the bubbles might go out, right? So that is good outcome. And oh my God, by the way, when I took it out, the old plastic thermostat, I found out, even though I bought that online, I found out that there's a cracking on the thermostat. Lucky I changed it. I replaced it to metal now. See, that's the problem with this kind of vehicle. They try to damage your thermostat because of the heat, that they produce. Let me just look. Just trying to look underneath if there's any leaking. This one will heat, will become very, very hot, very fast. So now we're looking for the coolant. So now we're going to close it because the engine it will be very, very hot. So we are going to close that. Anyway, it's gonna keep pulling that coolant. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it and run it for about half an hour and see how it goes. This is the one I was talking about before. See, this is a very, very, very sensitive one. This one is actually run all the way there, all the way to the other side, and it comes here. Okay? It comes here. This one. See this one here. It will go all the way to the other side there. Okay? So you check if there's any leaking. Nothing is leaking there. Okay? Zero. You know? Not a single drop of your tears. No? Nothing. Zip. Alright. Very good. See? If I can do it, you guys can do it. You know? I'm not a mechanic, but if you understand how to read ABC, you know how to do it. You know what I mean? Hasta la vista. You know? Just what the Terminator says. If you want to live, come with me. Okay. Very good. Huh? So, now as you can see, the moment of truth is here. You can do it. I can do it. Anyone can do it. So thank you very much for watching, and good day.